It's me here. GBP JPY ticks down to near 200 points aino. Investors await Tokyo CPI data. We have a lot to unpack in today's video, so let's get right into it. Cable barely moved overnight, but that might soon change as investors await this week's UK and Japanese data releases. GBP USD held steady at around 1.2450 after falling 0.6% on Friday. The pair is still down more than 4% from its 2023 high of 1.337 set in January, which makes it increasingly likely that we could see a move towards parity in the near term. The market now sees only a 10 chance of a Bank of England rate hike this year, and with the UK's leading economic index recently dropping to its lowest level since 2009, that's not likely to change anytime soon. Meanwhile, GBP JPY fell 0.2% to 199.85 yen, its lowest level in more than 2 weeks. The pair is down almost 7% this year. Japan's currency usually strengthens when investors are risk-averse, and with the Federal Reserve still hiking rates, that leaves GBP JPY vulnerable to further losses. However, recent comments from Bank of Japan Governor Kazuo Ueda suggesting that he will defend the 10-year yield cap have helped the currency pair stabilize somewhat. Today's on event in Tokyo will be closely watched for signs of persistent inflationary pressure. The year-on-year CPI reading is expected to remain unchanged at 3.6%, while core inflation is seen ticking up to 3.7% from 3.6%. If actual figures come in above these forecasts, it would suggest that the BOJ may need to keep monetary policy tighter for longer, which could drive JPY further up. In this scenario, cable could drop towards the 1980 level. However, if the data disappoints, it would increase speculation that the BOJ could start easing policy sooner than expected, which would weaken JPY and push GBP JPY higher. Now, I know what you're thinking. How will the Fed's decision on Wednesday impact this pair? Well, if the Fed signals that it will soon pause rate hikes, then GBP JPY could rise as the market would no longer be pricing in further tightening. But if the Fed maintains its hawkish stance, then GBP JPY could fall as the dollar strengthens. So overall, there's a lot of uncertainty surrounding GBP JPY at the moment, and it remains to be seen how the pair will react to this week's data releases. Are you bullish or bearish on this pair? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Now this is where I wrap up today's video. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more daily Forex insights. Have a great day.